Photography offers many ways to generate income, whether you're a hobbyist or a professional. Here's how you can make money with photography. Sell stock photos. Upload your photos to stock photography websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or iStock. Every time someone downloads your image, you earn a royalty. Focus on high-demand categories like business, travel, lifestyle, and nature. Offer photography services. Offer portrait, wedding, event, or product photography services to clients. Advertise your services locally, on social media, or through platforms like Thumbtack or Fiverr. Teach photography. Share your knowledge by offering online courses or tutorials. Create content on platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, or YouTube to teach photography techniques, photo editing, and equipment use. Sell prints. Create high-quality prints of your work and sell them online via platforms like Etsy or at art fairs and galleries. Print-on-demand services like Printful also allow you to sell prints without holding inventory. Run photography workshops. Host local workshops or webinars to teach budding photographers. Charge a fee for attendees to learn about different photography styles, techniques, and editing.